Late summer to early fall is a great time to assess your garden for any vines that might be taking over some of your trees and shrubs and outcompeting them. Now, we generally encounter two different types of vines in the landscape. One would be kind of an annual vine, like a morning glory, very green, very fleshy. And then the other type, like this Virginia creeper right here, is going to be a more woody vine, a perennial vine, one that has a more extensive root system and is a lot harder to get rid of. Now, it's important to realize that not all vines are inherently bad. Virginia creeper, for example, even though it grows everywhere, actually produces a lot of fruit that's very beneficial to birds and wildlife. So what you need to do is assess your own situation and see if this is actually causing problems on any shrubs or trees. So once you've determined if the vine needs to be removed from your landscape, I'm going to show you a very easy way to take these woody vines out rather than trying to pull up the entire root system. For woody perennial vines, take a sharp pair of pruners and cut a few inches above the soil line. I like to make a second cut just a few inches above that to give myself some working room. Switch your gloves to chemical resistant gloves and now apply the herbicide on that freshly cut wound. I also like to use a scrap piece of plastic behind where I made the cut to ensure that I don't spill any herbicide onto the tree bark itself. That herbicide is going to move down to the roots of that vine and it should kill it in a couple of weeks. For Get It Growing, I'm Jason Stagg with the LSU AgCenter.